Front seat cover installation. Remove the headrest first. Identify the front seat cover with the airbag tag. Unzip and put on the seat back cover. Adjust the holes for headrest. Attach the hinges. Tuck the hinges in the seat gap. Secure the hinges in place on the back. Zip the seat back cover. Put on the seat cover and tuck the buckles in the seat gap. Tuck the side webbing in the lateral seat gap. Tuck and adjust the side cover for a snug fit. Fasten the buckles from the seat bottom and adjust the webbing to desired length. Attach the small hooks and fix them to the seat bottom. Cover the headrest and install it back. Front seat cover installation completed. Back seat cover installation. Remove the headrests first. Unzip and put on the 40 split seat back cover. Zip the seat back cover and fix it with the Velcro. Tuck the webbings in the seat gap and attach them to the back with Velcro. Adjust the holes for headrest. Put on the 60 split seat back cover. Aware that do not cover the seat belt. Zip the seat back cover and fix it with the Velcro. Tuck the webbings in the seat gap and attach them to the back with Velcro. Adjust the holes for headrest. Put on the integrated back seat cover and attach the hinges. Tuck the hinges in the seat gap. Tuck the buckles and adjust the side cover for a snug fit. Cover the headrests and install them back. How to use the cup holder. Unzip the middle part and put down the cup holder. Fold and zip the cover at desired length. Installation completed. Get your new elegant vehicle.